Intermittent fasting, the science-backed guide to transforming your health. What if I told you that changing when you eat could potentially lead to weight loss, improved brain function, and even a longer life? Stay tuned as we uncover the science behind intermittent fasting, the eating pattern that's revolutionizing health and wellness. Introduction. Welcome, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting, backed by cutting-edge scientific research. Whether you're a curious beginner or looking to optimize your fasting routine, this evidence-based guide has got you covered. What exactly is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern cycling between periods of eating and fasting. A 2019 review in the New England Journal of Medicine defines it as abstinence from food and calorie-containing beverages for periods lasting from 12 hours to several weeks. How does intermittent fasting work? During fasting, your body undergoes several metabolic changes. A 2019 study in cell metabolism shows that fasting triggers a metabolic switch, shifting the body from using glucose for energy to using ketones, which are derived from fat. What are the different types of intermittent fasting? Research has explored various methods. The 16/8 method, a 2018 study in Nutrition and Healthy Aging, found this method effective for weight loss. The 5-2 diet, a 2013 study in the British Journal of Nutrition, showed this method can be as effective as continuous calorie restriction for weight loss. Alternate day fasting, a 2017 JAMA Internal Medicine study found this method effective for weight loss and heart health improvement. Is intermittent fasting safe for everyone? While generally safe for healthy adults, a 2020 review in Nutrients emphasizes the need for medical supervision for certain groups, including pregnant women, children, and individuals with a history of eating disorders. What are the potential benefits of intermittent fasting? Scientific research has identified several potential benefits. Weight loss. A 2015 systematic review in Molecular and Cellular Endocrinology found intermittent fasting effective for weight loss. Improved insulin sensitivity. A 2018 study in Cell Metabolism showed improved insulin sensitivity in prediabetic men. Brain health. A 2018 study in Nature Reviews Neuroscience suggests fasting may enhance brain function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Heart health. A 2019 study in obesity showed improvements in blood pressure and inflammatory markers. Longevity. While human studies are limited, a 2019 review in the New England Journal of Medicine suggests potential life-extending effects based on animal studies. Are there any risks or side effects associated with intermittent fasting? A 2020 review in JAMA Network Open noted potential side effects including hunger, irritability, and reduced concentration, especially in the early stages. Dehydration is also a risk, emphasizing the importance of adequate fluid intake. How long does it take to see results from intermittent fasting? Results vary, but a 2019 study in Nutrients found significant weight loss and metabolic improvements within 12 weeks of starting intermittent fasting. Can I exercise while intermittent fasting? Yes, but timing matters. A 2016 study in the Journal of Functional Morphology and Kinesiology found that exercising in a fasted state may increase fat oxidation, but could potentially impact high-intensity performance. What can I eat or drink during fasting periods? During fasting periods, zero-calorie beverages are recommended. A 2018 study in Physiology and Behavior found that even very low-calorie intake can interrupt the fasting state. How does intermittent fasting differ from other diets? Unlike traditional diets, intermittent fasting focuses on timing rather than specific food restrictions. A 2017 review in Annual Review of Nutrition found that intermittent fasting can be as effective as continuous calorie restriction for weight loss and metabolic health improvement, potentially offering more flexibility. Conclusion. There you have it, a science-backed overview of intermittent fasting. Remember, while research shows promising results, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your eating habits. If you found this evidence-based guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more science-backed health content. Have you tried intermittent fasting? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, here's to your health and wellness journey, guided by science.